Hello, my name's Rose Davidson of Does Biz. Welcome to my page. Does this sound familiar? You are giving your presentation, you look out over the audience, and half of them are either playing on their phones or nodding off. Some are getting up to make a coffee at the back of the room and some are just leaving. You book an event and when you turn up, the room's half full. What you say is important, but you have to have that visual impact. A PowerPoint presentation can make or break your speaking engagement. Whether you're new to speaking and starting at the local RSL, local networking event, or perhaps you're a keynote speaker at a seminar, never underestimate the power of your visuals. If you want your next presentation to have your audience talking about you for weeks and the organisers clamouring to have you back, you need to up your game on your presentations. That's why I'm offering you 5 easy ways to make your PowerPoint presentation pop. This checklist will give you 5 ways to organise your PowerPoint presentation that will have your audience wowed and asking for more. So please click on the link and it will be sent to you. Thank you, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.